Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today in this video we are going to learn the very important and new topic of grammar, and that is adverb. Okay, now as far as adverbs are concerned, so first the question is there in your mind that what is adverb? So before we start the adverb, let us take a look about adverb and learn the definition of adverb. Okay, so first of all, adverb is a part of speech. Don't get confused in figure of speech and part of speech. Later on in the upcoming videos we will discuss about the figures of speech, but first of all you have to remember that what is an adverb. So an adverb is a part of speech. Verb, adjective, adverb, like that. Okay, so adverb is a part of speech, right? So the question is that adverb is a part of speech, but what is an adverb? Okay, so first we will discuss about the definition of adverb. So see, adverbs are the words that modify or add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. See, adverbs, so two words are there. One is add and second one is verb. So add means to add, to modify, to change. What? So meaning of the verbs. Okay, with the help of certain kinds of words, if the meaning of the verb, meaning of the adjectives and even adverbs will modify or will change, so that words are called adverbs. What you have to remember, in short, you can, if we want to say, then you can give the definition like the words which add something to verb or adjective, they are called adverbs. See, two words are there, one is add and second one is verb. So two words are there. Add means to modify, to change. Okay, but in which? So verb, or we can say in adjective. So the words which change the meaning or something into the verb or into the adjective, they are called adverbs, right? So suppose if the example, if we are taking the example, so I give the example like write. So to write is the verb. Okay, to write is the verb, means action words. So to write, but write neatly. So if I add the word neatly, so how you have to write? So you have to write neatly. So this neatly is our adverb. Right, so the words which add something into the verb or adjective, they are called adverbs. Later on we will discuss the examples of each and every types of adverbs, so it is easy to you to understand. So definitely you can say modify means to add or change. In which words? So adjectives, adverb or verb, means the words which modify. Modify means to add or change the meanings of the verb, adjectives or adverbs, they are called adverbs, right? So I hope the definition is clear. What you have to remember, the words which modify means to add or change the meaning of verb, adjective or adverbs, they are called adverb, right? Now we have to learn, first in this video we are going to learn about the verb, means how the adverb modifies the verb. So it modifies an action which is performed by a subject. So definitely verb means verb indicate the doing action, means to write, to jump, okay, to learn. So this kind of verb. So an action which is performed by a subject. So definitely you know very well that as far as the actions are concerned, so it is done or performed by the subject, means the living thing. So this verb means we can say adverb modify the verb. And which type of verb? So it modifies the action which is performed by a subject. So it is, I hope it is clear to you. What you have to remember, the words which add or modify the meaning in verb, adjective or adverb, they are called adverbs. Now types of adverbs, that is very important. In the exam the sentences are given to you, and from that sentences you have to first find out the adverb and you have to mention its kind, that particular adverb belongs to which kind, right? So it is very important to learn. So basically we can divide the adverbs into the main 5 parts. So which are they? So first one is adverb of time, second one adverb of place, third one adverb of manner, fourth one adverb of degree, and fifth one that is adverb of frequency. What you have to remember, basically or mainly we can divide the adverb into main 5 parts. Which are they? So adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. Okay, you have to remember these types. Which are they? Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. These are the main types of adverbs. Okay, so we will learn each and every adverb with the keywords and example, so you can easily understand. Okay, so first of all, adverb of time. So the question is that which words are there, and adverb of time indicates which kind of things. So adverb of time tells us something about the time. See, if time is there, so definitely these adverbs tells us something about the time and action happen, means it indicates the time on which time that particular action happens or performed. So with the help of adverb of time we come to know about the exact time. Okay, time means adverb of time tells us something about the time and action happens, means on which time. Okay, on when the particular thing happens, that indicate by adverb of time. So see, they can answer the question when. So it is clear to you that whenever you want to get the answer and the answer is time, so you have to ask the question with when. So they answered, means adverb of time answered the question with the help of WH word, that is when. Means in a sentence, if adverb is given and you ask the question with the help of when, so you will get the time, and the time means that answer that is modified, or we can say that answer belongs to adverb of time. Okay, now see, some keywords are there, and with the help of keywords you come to know that these words are adverb of time. Okay, the words which indicate time, they are your adverb of time. For examples like before, ago, lately, soon, already, since, now, then. Okay, these all are the adverb of time. See the example, the train arrived late. So first of all you have to find, suppose in exam these sentences are given to you and you have to find the adverb and even you have to write its kind. So how you find it out? So the train, that is our subject. See, arrived is our verb and late. So late indicate time. So late is our adverb. So see, it is written here, they can answer the question when. So this sentence is given to you, and if I ask the question with when, see, arrived is there, means simple past tense. So which way I have to ask the question? That when the train arrived. So you get the answer that the train arrived late. So this late indicate time, and we can say that late is adverb and it shows adverb of time. Okay, see next example, leave the place now. So first of all, see, leave, that is a verb. The place means the particular area is given, and now indicate time. So definitely this word now indicate time. So we can say now is our adverb and it shows adverb of time. So see, when, now leave, affirmative sentence is there, subject is not given, so we have to add the subject you. So when you leave the place, so you get the answer now. So now is our time and we can say it is adverb of time. Okay, so what you have to remember, when you get the answer by asking the question when, so that indicate adverb of time. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now move to the next one, that is adverb of place. So definitely place is there, so we ask the question with where. See, Adverb of place tells about the place where something happens. Means it indicates the place where something happened. If we are talking about anything or any action, so where that particular action happens, so it indicates by adverb of place. And they answer the question where. Okay, means from, if you ask a question with the help of where, so you get the answer, and that answer belongs to adverb of place. Now some of the keywords are there, like there, here, everywhere, up, within, out, away, somewhere, etc. Okay, so these are means the words which shows the place. They are called adverb of place. For example, Mihir walked away. So Mihir is subject, walked that is verb, and away. So away indicate the place. So if you ask the question with the help of where, so which way you ask the question, where Mihir walked, so you get the answer away, so that is the place. Do you stay there? So see, where do you stay? So the answer is there. So this there indicates the place. So here away and there, both words means both adverbs indicate adverb of place, right? Then third one, that is adverb of manner. So about the way something happens, means the adverb of manner tells us about the way, means which way or how something happens. Okay, this adverb of manner tells about the way something happens, means how the thing happened. Okay, like that. And they answer the question how. Some of the keywords are there, like happily, quietly, loudly, soundly, slowly, like that. And you have to remember one thing that is very important, that when you find ly, okay, by adding ly of adjectives, generally these kind of adverb of manners are like that. Means most of adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to the adjective. See, suppose if it is given to you slow, so you add slowly. Jump, if it is given to you lazy, okay, so lazily, like that. See the example, walk quickly. So here walk is a verb, but here quick is adjective. Okay, so quickly. So how you have to walk, or then you get the answer, that quickly. So this quickly is adverb of manner. She got up lazily from the bed. So she is our subject, got up that is the verb, lazy that is adjective. Okay, so lazily. So we can ask the question from how. So how she got up from the bed, then the answer is lazily. Okay, so this lazily is adverb of manner. We can say you have to write beautifully. So beautifully, that is, we can say manner. Okay, run fast. So how you have to run? You have to run fast. So that is, we can say adverb of manner. Clear? So you have to ask the question with the help of how, and the answer you will get that belongs to adverb of manner. I hope 1, 2 and 3, that is time, place and manner. Okay, what you have to remember, in time you have to ask the question with when, in place so where, and in manner how. Now fourth one, that is adverb of degree. So adverb of degree tells us degree or extent to which something happened, means how much. They answer the question with by how much. So how much anything or something happens. For example, Zoya completely cleaned my cupboard. So how much Zoya, how much cupboard cleaned by Zoya, so you get the answer completely. They hardly knew about the competition. So how much they knew about the competition? So they knew about the competition hardly. Okay, so how much? If the content is given or degree is given, and if you ask a question with how much, then you get the answer, and that is adverb of degree. Okay, Zoya completely cleaned my cupboard. So how much? So the answer is completely. They hardly knew about the competition. So how much they knew about the competition? So your answer is hardly. Okay, I completely done my homework. Otherwise, I have completely done my homework. So how much? So completely. Okay, so that indicate adverb of degree. Then fifth one, that is adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens, means during which time something happens, so that indicate by adverb of frequency, and they answer the question how often. Keywords are like never, always, twice, often, seldom, usually, sometimes, rarely. So these are the words which indicate how often, okay, time. Now the thing is that, ma'am, the question is there that these word never, always, twice, these are also indicate time, and here also before, ago, lately, soon, they are time. But see, here the perfect time when, and here how often. Okay, for example, the lion never eat the grass, so that never indicate adverb of frequency, right? See the example. I often think of visiting Goa. So often. So how often I think to visit Goa? So often. The king sometimes travel in the kingdom. So the king. So how often the king traveled in the kingdom? So sometimes. So these sometimes and often both belong to adverb of frequency. Right? So these are the 5 types. What you have to remember? How many types of adverbs are there? So 5 types of adverbs are there. Which are they? So adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. What you have to remember, as far as time is concerned, you have to ask the question with the help of when. Remember this thing, it is very useful, and no need to mug up all the things. Shortly you have to remember if the sentence is there, and if you ask a question with when, so the answer will be time. If adverb of place is there, so you have to ask the question with where. If adverb of manner, so how. Degree, how much, and frequency, how often. Simply you have to remember this thing. No need to mug up all these things. That is very important, that with the help of which word you are asking the question. Okay, and if time, so when, place, so where, manner, so how, degree, so how much, and frequency, so how often. Okay, first you have to see the sentence and then you have to find out. For example, here it is given to you like leave the place now. Suppose it is given to you in exam, so definitely see now is there, so you can easily get the answer that now indicate the time, so it is adverb of time. Okay, what you have to remember, what is adverb first? So adverbs are the words that modifies, or we can say add or change the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb. So they are called adverbs. Mainly there are 5 kinds of adverbs, which are they: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverbs of frequency. So adverb of time, so you have to remember when. Place, so where. You are aware about this thing. Time, then when. Place, then where. Manner, then how. Then if degree is there, so how much, and frequency is there, then how often. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and if you like the video, then like it, share with your other friends. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.